Yes, you can.
No, I don't want to.
It was something like a long time ago? No.
Long time ago, get far away. Dun, 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 dun. Pension is building across the galaxy. Anakin Skywalker and R2-D2 have the Imperial troopers. A squad of clone troopers do the same. And so begins the Anakin Skywalker, Obi-Wan Kenobi and orders Anakin and Ahsoka to find R2-D2 and his Imperial troopers. Just so Palpatine told Renegade troopers to do the same. And so begins the quest for R2-D2.
Ooh, okay.
That's the game, the quest for R2-D2.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
So how many guys are there?
It depends
On what?
on the mission.
Oh.
Because there's a lot of battle droids.
Mm-hmm. What are you playing with right now?
Mace Windu.
Oh, you completely destroyed my castle, huh?
Huh?
I said you completely destroyed my castle.
How?
What do you mean, how? How? I don't see any castle there.
Because I wanted to make a ship.
What kind of ship?
I'm not going to tell you. If not, you have to be making it with me.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
I love to make ships. Do-do-do-do-do. Do-do-do-do. So what else can you tell me about this, guys? How does Yoda talk? Bless you.
Thank you.
You get wise. No Force, Emperor, or should I go with Darth Sidious?
How about
Must be you. You survived.
Surprised.
how about the one with the black mask?
I don't have a...
How does he talk?
I have him, but he's right here. He's not Darth Vader yet. He's
Oh.
Anakin's not Darth Vader yet.
Okay. What did you use the other day? A bottle, right? Oh, a Coke bottle.
To do what?
To do the voice of Darth Vader? Remember that?
Yeah.
Not yeah. Yes. I love you.
I love you too. Battle droid, you're going somewhere else. Out of my arm! Oh! He kicked my arm! Oh! Blah, blah, blah. I need to get it. Oh! Dun, 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 dun.
There's a bunch of lightsabers there, huh?
Huh?
So you have a bunch of lightsabers?
Yeah. Mace Windu's right here. His name is Mace Windu.
Mm.